Hello students, I am here with the explanation of the exercise of the chapter possessive nouns. Okay, now let us start with trying to understand how you have to solve. Solve these exercises. There are three exercises A, B, C. We'll start with exercise A. I'll read the heading. Rewrite these groups of words using apostrophe. That is, group of words are given without using apostrophe s. ठीक है? अभी ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दिया है जिसमें ऑफ का यूज किया है, एपोस्ट्रोफी एस यूज नहीं किया है. वी हैव टू रीड दैट ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स एंड देन चेंज इट इन सच ए वे. यूज पॉजेसिव नाउन्स, यूज एपोस्ट्रोफी एस. एपोस्ट्रोफी एस हमको यूज करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, इफ यू गो टू सी फर्स्ट ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड, द टेल ऑफ द एलिफेंट. द टेल ऑफ द elephant मतलब elephant का tail. Now we have to use apostrophe s, okay, so that we can make it possessive noun. How are we going to use? The elephant, last में s नहीं है, so we have to use apostrophe and then s. Okay, so the elephant's tail. Okay, the tail of the elephant will be converted to the elephant's tail. ठीक है, हमको इसमें ध्यान रखना है किसके पीछे एपोस्ट्रोफी, कौन से नाउन के पीछे एपोस्ट्रोफी एस लगाना है. एंड इफ द लास्ट लेटर इज एस तो सिर्फ एस के बाद एपोस्ट्रोफी लगाना है. इफ द लास्ट लेटर इज नॉट एस तो हमको एपोस्ट्रोफी और उसके बाद एस लगाना है. ओके, नाउ वन मोर एग्जांपल, द लैपटॉप ऑफ चारू. ओके, चारू का लैपटॉप. हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू शो इट इनटू पॉजेसिव नाउन? चारू इज द नाउन, चारू का लैपटॉप, द लैपटॉप ऑफ चारू. ओके, सो चारू, and if the last letter of charu is u, there is no s, so we have to use apostrophe and s. So charu apostrophe s, charu's laptop. Okay, so that is how we have to convert this. So I hope you understood and you have to do the rest of the exercise. Okay, I will be sending the answer key where all the answers are written and I will send you the photo after 2-3 days. By that time you have to complete the exercise and send me the photos. Okay, next exercise 2, let me read the heading of this. Tick the correct sentence in each pair and cross out the incorrect one. Now इसमें क्या है, there are two sentences are given और इसमें apostrophe s को एक सेंटेंस में सही तरीके से यूज किया है, एक सेंटेंस में गलत तरीके से यूज किया है. ओके, वी हैव टू रीड बोथ द सेंटेंस. हमको देखना है, वी हैव टू सी वेयर द सेंटेंस, वेयर द एपोस्ट्रोफी इज यूज्ड इन अ करेक्ट वे एंड वेयर द एपोस्ट्रोफी एस इज नॉट यूज्ड इन द करेक्ट वे. इन विचएवर सेंटेंस इट इज करेक्ट वे, उसके सामने जो बॉक्स है वी हैव टू पुट अ टिक. And in whichever sentence the apostrophe s is not used in correct way, we have to put a cross in front of that sentence in the box that is after that sentence. Okay, let us try two examples. First one, if you go to see, Jessica's mother is a science teacher. Now here if you go to see, Jessica's s और उसके बाद apostrophe. Okay, now second sentence देखो, Jessica's mother is a science teacher. Here Jessica फिर apostrophe और उसके बाद s. Here students, the second sentence is correct one. क्योंकि in the first sentence how is it done कि जेसिकाज प्लूरल बना दिया है, जबकि नाम वो जेसिकाज नाम प्लूरल नहीं है. नेम सिर्फ कितना है, जेसिका. द नेम इज ओनली जेसिका. सो आफ्टर जेसिका ए, द लास्ट लेटर इज ए, उसके बाद देयर शुड बी एन एपोस्ट्रोफी एंड देन एस. But what is written in the first sentence? Jessica's s is put and after that a apostrophe is done. So that is wrong. In the second sentence, Jessica, then apostrophe and then s is put. That is the correct one. So we have to put a tick in front of the box that is in front of the correct one and cross in the box that is in front of the wrong one. Okay. Then let us do one more example. The baby's toy fell on the floor. Okay, here baby and then apostrophe s. Okay, next sentence, the baby's toy fell on the floor. Here babys and then apostrophe is put. Okay, now here students, the first one is correct and the second one is wrong. How can we say? For second one में baby और s, it is written baby and s. अगर babies plural है, if it is babies, so the spelling is not babys, it is babies. We have studied in singular plural noun, singular and plural noun. Okay, rule, that is if the last letter is y and before the y if it is a consonant, so we have to remove y and add ies. है ना, लेकिन यहाँ पे हाउ इज इट पुट BABYS, so it is not plural but the use is wrong, apostrophe गलत तरीके से डाला गया है, ठीक है. So the first sentence use is correct, BABY apostrophe and then S, the baby's toy fell on the floor. So we'll put a tick in front of the box that is before the first sentence, and we'll put a cross in the box that is in front of the second sentence. Students, did you understand? This is how you have to read both the sentence carefully. Apostrophe का use properly देखो, अगर गलत जगह पे apostrophe गलत तरीके से यूज किया है, put a cross in front of that box, और जो सही तरीके से यूज किया है उसके सामने टिक डालना है. Okay students, now let us go to the third exercise. Exercise 3, I'll read the heading first. Read this passage and fill in the blanks with words from the box along with apostrophe to show possession. Okay, now there are words given in the help box. ऊपर help box के अंदर words दिया हुआ है और एक passage दिया हुआ है, paragraph दिया हुआ है. There are blanks in the paragraph. We have to read the paragraph और सही जगह पे कौन सा word, वो सही blank में ऊपर का help box है, which word we have to select and we have to write there. But when we write there, we have to use apostrophe S and then write it in that blank. Okay, once again repeating, you have to read the paragraph, and while reading wherever the blank is there, what is the correct word for that blank, we have to choose from the help box and then we have to write it there. But when we write it there, we have to use apostrophe S with the noun. We have to make it possessive noun and then we have to write it. Okay, now some part I have done as an example. जैसे dash school was closed yesterday. Okay, dash school was closed yesterday. Whose school? तो it is written Raj. Raj, तो Raj का school ऐसा दिखाना है, तो Raj last letter is not S, so Raj apostrophe S. Raj's school was closed yesterday. Okay, then continuing, he decided to go to the public library in the neighborhood. He arrived at the library in his dash car. Now whose car? That is his father's car. तो father last में S नहीं है, तो father apostrophe S, his father's car. Did you understand students? This is how, when you read the sentence and you will come to know which noun we have to select from the box and write in the blank. But when you write, use apostrophe S. Okay students, I hope you have understood, and stay safe at home, have a very healthy life. Okay students, bye.